everyone, happy Friday and welcome again to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Yay! Today I have a beautiful message I have to share with you people. A very touching message, and I know it's gonna bless you. So I'm just going to go through this, and I hope everything will be fine with you all. Just give me 1 second. Let me check something really quick. Um. Okay. Well, this has to do with time zone, and this is something that everyone needs to understand. Me myself, of course, but all the same, I want to share this message with you people. Yeah. I still have my cup of tea. I'm gonna sip before I start. So give me 1 second. Take your cup of tea at home and let's sip together. Cheers. Well, so back to the topic. Now the message goes by this. New York is 3 hours ahead of California, but it does not make California slow. Someone graduated at the age of 22, but waited 5 years before securing a good job. Someone became a CEO at 25 and died at 50, while another became a CEO at 50 and lived to 90 years. Someone is still single while someone else got married. Obama retires at 55, but Trump starts at 70. Absolutely, everyone in this world works based on their time zone. People around you might seem to go ahead of you, some might seem to be behind you, but everyone is running their own race in their own time. Don't envy them or mock them. They are in their time zone and you are in yours. Life is about waiting for the right moment to act. So relax. You're not late. You're not early. You are very much on time and in your time zone. That's the message I wanted to deliver to everyone outside there, especially you seated at home. Well, I still have a small piece that I wanted you still to enjoy. And just give me 1 second. Once 1 second. Oh my god. Yeah. 1 second. 1 second. Oh, it seems not to work. Unfortunately, too bad. Well, 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 well. Well, well, well. The main message here is to make you understand that everyone in this world is in his or her time zone. It does not matter what age you are now. You see what examples we had in this text? This is what applies in my and your life. You don't have to worry. Your time zone is yet to arrive. You don't have to rush because everything works at his or her own time zone. God has a plan for us at the right time and at the right moment. Sometimes we try to push things so much. We push and push and push. Why? Why? Well, I might also be doing the same. I most definitely have done the same. But at the end of it all, we always have to go at our own pace. There's no way you will go at somebody else's pace. It's not possible. It's not possible. You are just supposed to relax, relax, relax. Ladies and gentlemen out there, relax. You're not late. You're not early. I love this message. I so much love the words. You are not late and you are not early. So you can imagine you are very much on time. Wherever you are, whatever situation you are so much and very much on time and in your time zone. You know, you're just in your time zone. If Obama retired at 55 and Trump started at 70, my friend, then I think everything is possible. It's only us that have this tension, the pressure, and everything. Oh, we have to achieve this at such an age, and blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. It just makes us all sick, crazy. Why? 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 Someone graduated at 22 but waited for 5 good years. 5 good years to secure a good job. So, you are there, you just left school, you just graduated, and already you are dreaming to build a mansion. You just left college. How does that work? My friend, relax, relax, relax. You are not late and you are not early. Everything works at your own time zone. You know, we can push and push things to be like we see from other people. But it's not gonna be like this. It will never be like that. You know, we cannot be like other people. We are us. We are the way we are, and that's it. That's it. So, why do you have to always kill yourself with so much stress? For what? Don't have to do this. My friend, I hope this message was just the best message for you this evening. And I hope you're not gonna give up, you're not going to rush, and you're not going also to stress yourself. Because I know the world is not a platter of milk and honey. That is the funniest thing about this world. You cannot expect milk and honey to come at your table. There are ups, there are downs. There are ups, there are downs. We go up, we go down. Sometimes even we go at curves. We come back straight. But at the end of the day, everything has its own time zone. So relax wherever you are. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your moment. Enjoy that you're still alive. You can breathe. You are happy. You are healthy. You have what you have at that time. Appreciate God for that, what He has blessed you with, and bless other people with that. And everything else will just work automatically. You don't have to stress so much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was it with my message tonight. I wish you all a good night. It's a weekend again, and you all are happy Saturday, a happy, relaxed Sunday, and of course a very very good welcome to the new month of September. Unfortunately, or very fortunately enough, we are blessed with so much rain. It just started with lots and lots of rain. Thanks for watching me. Goodbye and good night.